So the speed factory pointer is on. It's not at 0 right now because I've tried to start the car a couple of times and the injectors are still not working, even though I've dropped in ground from here to the thermostat housing here. The thermostat housing also has the main ground for the harness here as well. Have another ground here to the body, another ground here to here, and still nothing. Watched a couple of videos and gotten some ideas as to why it's not working, and I still haven't really tried them. It's snowed here a couple of times, and since I posted the last video, it's been 2 weeks. I did all of the Speed Factory stuff last Sunday, and like I said, I took a week off, installed that, and it snowed last night. So I've been doing other things besides, trying to get this car started. But the videos are probably gonna, as far as the car goes, are probably gonna stop for a while. My mother got really ill, and today is Sunday. Had to fly her out from New Mexico to Colorado because she was experiencing total renal failure, and that was Friday. Today, Sunday, and it seems they have gotten her stabilized, but I can't even go down there to be with her because of the new strain of COVID case that was found in Colorado. They've completely shut down all of the buildings as far as hospitals go, so only patients can go inside. So for the next, I don't know how long, like I said, they've stabilized her, she's getting better, and when she gets out, I'm probably going to have to be taking care of her and make sure she has everything that she needs, instead of trying to figure out why this car doesn't start. Just take care of her, and I'd rather do that instead of trying to figure out why this car doesn't start. So yeah, I've thought of getting a new control module, and because I have two, the Honda one and the original one that came with this engine, and plugging them both in, but they still don't work. And like I say, I watched several videos on testing injectors and why they don't work, and it seems that there might be either a break in the harness somewhere, or like I say, the control modules aren't working. So I thought of buying just a whole new one, or not new, but a used stock P28 control module and hooking it up and see what that does. But that's all on hold. So hopefully, put your post notifications on. You're more than likely going to see another video. I still have a goal of getting this car running next summer, or at least spring, late spring. We're beginning of January 10th. Oh, tomorrow's my birthday. Well, okay. Yeah, so hopefully I can get it running by springtime, and my goal was to get it running by this summer at least. So hopefully that can still happen. But like I say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you guys want to send a letter, decals, anything in the mail, I'll give you a shout out, whatever. And like, subscribe, comment for sure. I just it's been a lot past week, so yeah, I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, but thanks for watching. And like I say, keep your post notifications on, and you guys will see another video, and hopefully it'll be the video of this car finally starting.